Hello, this is Anjali Singh, and I am into education for last more than 42 years. Started as a teacher, and then gradually I kept on changing my platforms and my contribution into education as an author, as an editor, as a resource person towards training schools, teachers, students, towards education, towards the process of learning and teaching methods. So, this is a day when I'm talking from DPS Bijnor, wherein I was invited to do a session with students of grade 3 to 5. It was a wonderful experience talking to these children on self-awareness. The children are really, really smart and intelligent. Their responses were very, very delighting and heartening. They were cooperative, they were enthusiastic, and they promised that whatever was spoken, they will try and abide all of it in their lives. So I spoke to them about their presence in this world, about their parents, what is the expectation of the parents and teachers from these kids, and why do parents expect all this, and why should children respect parents and teachers. Then I also spoke to them about their behavior, about the expression of various emotions like anger, distress, and how to behave when they feel angry or distressed, how to understand these emotions, and how to change their behavior towards being kind and understanding, just as they feel bad when something negative comes to them. So I was trying to make them understand that everybody feels the same, and therefore we should be kind, equally kind to others, just as we expect others to be to us. After this session with students, I also had a session with the pre-primary teachers of the school, and herein I spoke to them about, because it's a pre-primary section, I spoke to them about the kids, their process of growth and development, more so about the process of growth and development of the brain. And here, besides teaching them the subjects and the skills, it is most important for us to sensitize the brains of the kids and to stimulate the brain, because it is this brain which is going to help the child learn whatever throughout her or his life. So it is just like sharpening the tools before we start to do any process, any mechanical thing in our lives, just like to shape humans. We need to sensitize their brains so that they can learn to be smart, they can learn to be intelligent, and they can learn to be responsible. That's all.
Hello friends, if you could describe this workshop in one word, what it would be?
It was focused and kind. I am very confident after the workshop. It was creative,
Supportive.
The workshop was very helpful.
The workshop was very amazing.
I am very happy. I feel very confident after this workshop.
It was very informative.